Start.
Hello friends. So here I am. I am at Shumli University today, and you can see from my background, it's one of the most beautiful places of Himachal Pradesh. And here I am working also. So today I will be interacting with one of my dear friend, and he's a senior professor at Shumli University. Because as you all know, that I've started a new series where I'm capturing the views of people around this world on happiness. And he's one of very happy souls. And you know, from the last 1.5 years, every time I meet this person, we laugh and we always share happiness together. So let us quickly go to him and take and record his views on happiness. So here I am with Mr. Navindra Verma, Dr. Navindra Verma. Hi, how are you?
Very good. Very good.
So I would today, Dr. Verma, as you know, this series we have started on happiness. And you know, everyone in this life is looking for happiness. We all exist for happiness.
Yes.
No one on this planet exists for anything else. Whatever we do, you are teaching for happiness. I am here for happiness. I am interviewing you for happiness. He is recording us for happiness.
Yeah.
And all of you viewers are seeing me for happiness.
Yes, for happiness.
So today I will be asking you a few questions, and I will request you to please respond with your full heart and with full spontaneity. So first of all, I would like to know, Dr. Verma, from all of your experience of life, if you have to give me 3 things by which a person can lead a very happy life, and what would be your top 3 things for happiness? Please, for all the viewers,
First,
for my channel.
Okay. Before I just talk about what happiness is, I tell you what is my perspective of happiness. I consider happiness, this is personally speaking, happiness is 3 dimensions for me. First is me, myself. Second, the other human beings. And third is the planet life. If I do anything which doesn't harm anyone, any person, or even the planet life, that gives me happiness. Happiness means it basically carrying on your value systems, and you feel that you have been contributing in the life of others, humans, as well as others in the planet, as I said. And something that makes others happy, that makes planet's life happy, automatically makes me happy. And I say one thing, that happiness is contagious. Today Manav is here, so happiness is flowing all around.
So I repeat for my viewers what he said, that happiness is all about self, people around, and the nature around. So if we are happy in ourselves, and we are giving happiness to others, and we are connecting to the nature, that is his definition on happiness. But now I would like to know your top few secrets by which practical things which a person do to be happy. Any 2 things?
Okay, 2 simple things. See, every person has some certain do's and don'ts for every day. If by the end of the day, if I am able to finish my do's and also not able to do my undo's, then these things particularly make me happy, right? And let's say if there's something remains pending on my head, it doesn't make me happy. But if I am doing my work on a regular basis, not leaving anything pending, this is one thing. And second thing, the most important stuff is I have a litmus test for that. I have a test for that. If I go back home and I sleep, and if I have a sound sleep for 7 to 8 hours, then I say that my past day had been a very successful day, and that had been a very happy day for me.
And if I will just ask one thing here, how we can have that sound sleep? What is your secret to have a sound sleep?
The secret to sound sleep is that if I do not have any do's remaining
Okay.
at the end of the day, I'm going to have my sound sleep.
So for the viewers, I repeat what he just said, that make a list of your do's every day, complete those do's by end of the day, and don'ts also. So don't do those things which affect your peace of mind. And the other thing, have a great sleep. So I think we will not take everything out of Dr. Verma today, because otherwise, the surprise element will go away. We'll keep meeting him, and one thing he missed out, because he has a big laughter. Today,
Yeah.
today he has,
So,
and I give you that secret because that I learned from him only, that if on any single day, if you are not laughing from your belly, you are missing that day. So do laugh, and the secret of having a belly laughter is meet your friends, and once you see your friends, automatically we will get something for happiness, for that laughter. So we'll be back again, and it's beautiful to connect to all of you, and I will again show you this nature around. And if anyone you get a chance, do visit Shullini University. It is beautiful, and we will welcome you whenever you want to be here. Keep smiling and keep spreading happiness. Thank you.